Oh, hi guys! So, we're going to be cleaning some brushes today. I don't know what to do with this. There we go. Do it that way. Okay. So I got my brushes, I got my brush cleaner. Let's see if I can maybe get this. What's happening here? What is that? I got alfalfa on the side of my head. We're good. Alright, so I'm going to get some warm water going. Actually, before I do that. So, if you were part of my Trivia Tuesday, or Trivia Thursday, not Tuesday, Thursday, so the other day, you probably saw me cleaning my eye makeup brushes. What I was using was this brush cleaner right here. It's kind of awesome. I'm going to use it as like more of a pre-rinse today because my cream shadow brushes sometimes don't like to let go of the cream shadow. So that is what I'm going to do with these and my eyeliner brush. Doing kind of like a pre-rinse with these. I'm going to go ahead, get those out. I'm going to start with this makeup brush. You see that? Yeah, the cream shadow that's on there. Go ahead and do a wave. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to let the water on here get warm while I do my pre-rinsing on my brushes. So you just spray it, you get a towel that you really don't much care for, and you wipe it off. And that's how it cleans out. Here's brush number 2. This is the one that I use to blend down the purple. Which is almost out. Yeah, and this one I use Hopeful on. I don't know if you can really see the shadow in there. The eyeshadow. So again, I'm going to take my brush cleaner. Give it a couple sprays. And you got this towel here, and you wipe it off. This is just like a pre-clean. And then get rid of the shadow really well. Alright, now that I got my pre-rinse out of the way, so what I like to do afterwards is I use this Bender bar right here. That's what I use for actually cleaning. I'm going to go ahead and make Bender bar right here. Get back to my soap dish. I'm going to go ahead and get my bristles wet. I always keep the bristles facing down because you don't want to get water up in here. It'll loosen up the glue that's holding the bristles into place, and it tends to cause hair to fall out. I'm going to go ahead and use my hand here and just kind of move it around. There we go. There's two ones. There we go. I'm just going to rub it around my hand until I have it completely clean. and then dry it the best I can on the towel. And then I have this nifty little wrap here, and just put it right here, and you just hang like that to dry. Put it in both ways, just like that. So brush in two. And the reason I use my hand is so the water can just kind of run down my hand, and I can just swivel the bristles in the water as it runs down, and it just kind of helps to rinse it. Okay, now let's use a different type of brush. Let's use a bigger one. Go with this one. So this is my foundation brush. As you can see, it's got some foundation still in there on the bristles there. I'm going to go ahead and clean this one. So there are many benefits to cleaning your makeup brushes, and I do mean many. One being it helps your brushes last longer. Your brushes will last longer. Look at that. That cannot be good for your skin. See that? All that? That's not even soap. That's makeup coming off of my brush. So yeah, so it helps your brushes to last longer. They remain, in a good condition. Another one being a clean brush means a lot less bacteria going onto your face, so it'll help prevent major acne breakouts if you clean your brushes. If you don't clean your brushes, you're basically just applying makeup with bacteria that is just so not good for your skin. It's just not good. It's not good. So it will help prevent breakouts. It will keep your brushes nice and healthy. Right now I'm just making sure that I got all the soap out. But yeah, so that is one of the those are just like the major key points there. brushes last longer, and it fights acne. Plus, you know, especially if you have the type of makeup where you're constantly having to dip your brushes into the product bottle itself, if you're not cleaning your brushes, you're allowing bacteria to get into that makeup. And it's just not good. It's no good. No good, no good, no good. I'm going to go ahead and use my last one. Now I'm going to show you what I do with a double-sided brush. Oh, did I double-sided? Yes, I did. Okay. So when you clean your brushes, you're going to want them to dry for at least 24 to 48 hours before using them again. Alright, so double-sided brush, specifically one with a sponge on the other end. I wash the sponge first. I'm going to show you how I do that. So get it wet. Then get wet, I get a little bit of soap on it, and I just gently kind of massage the product out. I don't rub it, I just kind of pinch the sponge from the fingers and then just kind of massage that up. Remember how light the sponge end looked before I did anything? Now it's exactly right. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to wash the side with the bristles. And then I'll show you how I would normally do this if there were bristles on the other side. So normally, if it's just a one-side brush, I rinse it like this, but because there's bristles on the other side, I try to keep it as flat as I can, and I try to move as quickly as I can. Prevent fluid from getting in there and breaking up the glue. And again, normally, especially if this was a brush that had another, like, regular brush on the other end, how I would have it dry is I would just lay it flat on top of the rack. Just lay it flat. That way no water gets in. And yeah, so that is how I clean my brushes and why. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you guys later. Bye.